right, so this is the one I have been waiting for. I am very excited about this. I've been waiting to order this amazing device from Honor since it was released back in September. And I've purchased this with my own money, and they've given some incentives as well. So that is always quite good because the price is very high, 2,000 euros for a regular device. But I got an offer code, and included in that I get the Honor Watch 4, which is very, very sweet. So that came as a free gift, so that's great. And I also get the supercharge adapter with max 66 watt, which is a massive bonus too. So I'm really happy about those gifts that have come along. So let's get rid of that. And now on to the main event, which this is an absolute beast. And let's get into it, shall we? We're just going to open that up. Unboxing, I love unboxing. I absolutely love it. We'll get rid of that. As you can see, this has not been opened. So let's see what this looks like. Oh my goodness, we get more goodies and more goodies. And the main event, boom, there she is. Fantastic. The Honor V2 Magic. I have been waiting for this device for a long, long time. With that, we also get the Armor case, and we get the Honor Buds 3 Pro earphones as well. So these are all gifts that came with the device, and it had a 300 euro discount code as well. I'll put all the links in the description before I get too overexcited. And let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Let's go. In purple, 512, 16 gigs of RAM. Oh yeah, dual SIM action as well. Very, very cool. Look at that, so we'll get that up there. That goes there. Okay, I believe this is a magnetized box, which it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Inside there, we'll just move that out the way. Move that out the way as well. Oh yeah, that is lovely looking. Let's just take a quick look inside the box. So inside we've got this pull tab. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Okay, so that is just a solid internal box. And then we have, I have to say, the unboxing experience for this is way better than most. OnePlus was the last one that was super duper cool. And I am very pleased to see that there is a case in the box with, indeed, look at that, a spine protector and a kickstand. Absolutely genius. And of course it's color matched with the device. And I've also got a spare case here as well, which is in black with a kickstand that is also really, really nice as well. Looking forward to get those out. We'll take a closer look at those. Of course, we've got our USB to C to C. So you can see USB C to C cable there. And of course, we've got our quick start guide, which no one ever looks at, especially not me. Let's go. And then that's it inside the box. Right, let's get into actually starting up the device. Okay, so let's take a closer look at what it says here. It says, do not remove interior screen protector. Obviously, do not press on the interior screen with sharp objects. Keep away from devices sensitive to magnets, of course, and you may notice slight creases at the center of the interior screen. But this phone is famously very, very little screen crease. And of course, you want to get things like dust and salt and sand not to go inside there. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Well, they do say the in the hand feel is unlike anything, and it is totally true. That feels perfect. That has the perfect dimensions and weight, and the fact that it is foldable is absolutely awesome, and that's the reason why I love this device. Right, let's get it booted up and see how we get on. Let's go into the next bit. See you in a sec. Okay, so that is the Honor Magic V2 booted up and powered on. That is a gorgeous looking device. I've gone ahead and slapped on the back cover that comes in the box, which is really cool. It's color matched with a kickstand as well. I am so impressed with this so far. I'm absolutely loving it. I've already been out to take a couple of shots, and of course, the money shot is, of course, that gorgeous display. I am absolutely buzzing for this device. I think it is the best foldable device available at the moment. And to top all that off, because I got this directly from Honor, purchased it myself as well with my money, no review whatsoever, no review unit. It came with this awesome charging, which is 66 watts. In addition to the Honor Watch 4, I've not tested any of their watches, so I will be doing that. And you've even got the Honor Earbuds 3 Pro as well. So I am really excited. I'll be reviewing all of these items and doing more videos on this because I know people are really, really interested. So I am super excited to share with you my experience so that you can just consider whether or not you want to go for it. See you in my next video coming out very, very soon. Keep in touch. Bye-bye for now.